Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to improve your workflow using a template. A template is basically a set of either buses, audio channels, um, software instruments, basically that sort of stuff that you use very regularly. This template here is my personal template that I'm always changing, well, minus this anyway. So I'll just walk you through I'll walk you through my template. I'll basically show you why a template is so good, and then I'll show you how to basically set up your own template if you're using Logic. So um, I'll walk you through my template. I have a MIDI sidechain that I always use, which just basically looks like this. That's being routed to a bus with no output. I've got a special type of bus which is being used to control this plugin here. Um, this plugin is called Cthulhu. It is made by Xfer Records, which is run by Deadmau5 and Steve Duda. The plugin itself is very good for writing chord sequences and basically helping you get out of writer's block. But I'll go into this plugin in a new video. This is basically the rest of the bulk of my template. I have three different delays that I use with EQs on each of them. I've got a couple of reverbs, again with some EQ on them. I have a chorus with an EQ just in case I want to EQ the chorus. I have a few buses just for miscellaneous reasons, just in case I need some extra buses. I have a couple of drum buses. This one here is basically what I send all my drums minus the kick to, which means I can compress them a lot harder without losing the low end of the kick. I then route this bus to my normal drum bus, which has everything including the kick, where I'll just basically process everything further. I then have a bass bus, a vocal bus, synth bus, an FX bus, a parallel compression bus, which I will basically making a video on how to do parallel compression, and then also the sidechain bus, which is what this is being sent to. Um, so I'll quickly show you how how a template can be used to speed up your workflow. So if we open a software instrument, right, so let's say we're making a synth, and let's just say that that's the sound we've made and we want to use that sound. Right, let's say we want to put some delay on that. Normally, if you didn't have a template, you'd have to create a new bus, you'd have to put the delay on the bus, you'd have to put the EQ on the bus if you wanted to EQ the delay. Whereas if you've already got all your buses set up, all you have to do is pick your delay. Let's say we want a quarter note delay, then send it to the delay, and then there you've got your delay straight away. Or let's say we wanted to put some reverb on it. Your reverb's right there. Or chorus. So this is basically how basically everything's at your fingertips if you've created your own template. You don't have to copy this. And if you think this would work for you, then you're more than welcome to copy all the bus settings that I've got. If not, then basically work out what you use quite regularly and then start setting up your own template. I'll quickly show you how to basically go about creating your own template. Right, first what you need to do is you need to work out what you use. So for just demo purposes, let's say you use uh, 3 delays and a couple of reverbs, and that's it. What you'll need to do is create 5 buses, and here are your buses. Next, what you'll need to do is put put your plugins on these. So say we wanted 3 delays, you choose your delay plugin. I'm just going to use the tape delay for this demo. Then you can like put all your different settings in. So let's say we wanted a quarter note delay. This is already set to quarter notes. Let's say we wanted a dotted 8th note. We'd set it to 8th and put it to dotted. And let's say we wanted a 16th note. There we go. Right. Let's say we also wanted a couple of reverbs. We could Great. We could just like put a small reverb on. Make sure your wet is on full as it's a bus. And let's just say we wanted a medium reverb. Again, make sure your wet's on full. Right, let's say we wanted to EQ our delays as well. Right, let's take out some of the low end and take out some of the high end. Right, so that's just a demo of how to EQ that. And then you could just do the same for your reverbs. It's also very important to make sure that you label your buses for the reason that I'll show you now. Right, let's say this is our instrument that we've created. It's not very great, I know, but it's just a demo. Right, let's say we wanted to send it to something that we've created. If we haven't labeled it, you'll just get these. So you've got no idea what anything is. Whereas if we go in and we label everything, so our quarter delay, our dotted 8th note delay, our 16th delay, small delay, and our medium delay. If we now then go to send this to something, it's labeled and we know what everything is. So if you know how many audio channels you use on a regular basis, say you use 5 audio channels, you can go create 5 audio channels. And let's say you use 3 certain synths every time you produce. You can then go and load your chosen synths onto these. and also make sure to label your software instruments as well. So that's basically a demo template. So next thing you need to do is go File, Save as Template, and you'll need to basically navigate to where all your templates are, which is normally user, library, application support, logic, project templates, and you'll need to name your template. And then you've saved your template. So let's say we want to use that template to create a new track. You'd when you're faced with this, you'll want to go to your demo template. And there you have it. If you guys have any questions on this, post it in the comment box or send a message to my inbox. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video.